Somewhere in the Pacific Ocean lies a crack so deep you could drop Mount Everest into it, and its peak would still be over a mile underwater. It's called the Mariana Trench, and its deepest point plunges nearly 7 miles straight down into total darkness. More people have walked on the moon than have reached the bottom of this trench. It is one of Earth's last true frontiers. To picture how deep it is, imagine a passenger jet at cruising height. Now flip that downward, and stack 7 of them below the waves. As you descend, sunlight fades fast. Past 600 feet, the last blue glow vanishes into permanent night. Down here, the pressure is crushing. Over 1,000 times what you feel at the surface. It could flatten a submarine like a soda can. For a human body, it would be instantly fatal. By every rule, the trench should be completely empty and dead. And yet, it isn't. When cameras finally reached the bottom, they found something no one expected: life. Ghostly white shrimp-like creatures drift through the black, and strange translucent fish glide by, built to survive the impossible pressure. There are giant, single-celled organisms the size of your fist, and tube worms feeding on chemicals leaking from the seafloor. In 2012, filmmaker James Cameron became the first person to dive there alone, in a special vertical submarine. He described the bottom as an alien, desolate moonscape. Silent, empty, and stretching further than any light could reach. But then came the discovery that disturbed scientists the most. It wasn't a creature. It was our trash. At the very deepest point on Earth, explorers found a plastic bag and candy wrappers, drifting in the eternal dark. Tiny creatures at the bottom were found with man-made chemicals in their bodies, pollution that had sunk 7 miles to reach them. We've touched the deepest place on Earth, without ever really seeing it. We have better maps of Mars,